Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. If you came over our place, you would see that my spice drawer is absolutely packed. Such a wide selection. When it comes to paprika, I have them all. Sweet, smoked, and hot. I cook a lot with them as they give such a nice flavor to my dishes. There's one that is actually named after this spice. And believe it or not, I use all three types. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my chicken paprikash. My take on this Hungarian recipe is so fabulous. I won't say spicy, but it sure has some zip to it. Serve over a bed of egg noodles or spatzel. This is a great comfort food to enjoy anytime. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Here we have our boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and we'll season generously with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now let's move on to the stove. In a Dutch oven over medium heat, we'll add oil and clarified butter. When it gets hot, working in batches, we'll place the thighs and cook until nicely brown on both sides. That should take about 7 to 8 minutes. We'll transfer the chicken to a plate and set aside while cooking the other pieces. After the meat is done, we'll add the onions and a generous amount of ground sea salt. We'll cook them for a couple minutes, stirring constantly and also scraping the bottom of the pot to dislodge any brown bits. It's not obvious at first, but you'll see they will come off. To this, we'll add the red peppers and saute for about a minute and a half. Next, we'll add pressed garlic, tomato paste. Now, if there are any leftovers from the can, don't throw it and click on the top right corner of your screen to see what I do with it. And finally, diced Roma tomatoes. This time, we'll saute the ingredients for only 1 minute before adding flour. We'll stir continuously, cooking the flour for 3 minutes to remove the raw taste from it, and making sure to really scrape the bottom of the pot, otherwise it'll stick. A few minutes later, we'll add sweet paprika, then hot paprika, and smoked paprika. We'll quickly stir the spices into the mixture for just 30 seconds. If you cook too long, the paprika might taste bitter. We'll pour in chicken broth and stir very well before adding another layer of flavor. Dried red wine. I know it's not typical, but hey, I'm French. What can I say? We'll stir again and return the chicken thighs back to the pot, including any accumulated juices. This is flavor we won't leave behind. We'll combine the meat with the mixture, increase the heat to high, and bring the stew to a boil. When it gets there, we'll cover, reduce the heat to medium-low, and cook for 45 minutes, stirring occasionally while scraping the bottom of the pot in case it sticks. When cooking time is up, we'll add more good stuff to the paprikash. Sour cream. I'm using full fat in this recipe. And heavy cream. Not a lot, just a little. We'll gently stir these two ingredients into the mixture. Wow, it looks nice. Now, what I want you to do is to taste and adjust if necessary. We'll serve it over a bed of egg noodles or spatzel and sprinkle on some fresh chopped parsley. And my friends, this is our chicken paprikash. This Hungarian dish is such a delicious comfort food. It's easy to make, and the flavors are simply incredible. It's the perfect weeknight meal to serve your family. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!